So today's lesson will be on index notation. Alright, so we will just share. So first we want to understand what is index notation. Alright, so just now you all shared. What do you understand by index notation? Okay, you first.
Like factorize into like smaller multiple.
Okay, so factorize into smaller multiple, huh? Okay, we don't say right or wrong first, we discuss. What about you? Just now what you said, just repeat. Try. Just now you said something same number, right? Same number, then what?
Same number.
Change to same number, huh? Change to same number. What about you?
Like
You actually give example just now, remember?
it's like saying like 2 times 2, like 2 square is equals 2 times 2, which is 4. So it's like saying 4 in another way.
Oh, saying 4 in another way, very good. So it's saying 4 in another way. Actually, all are correct. But the word multiple, maybe we need to change. It's not really multiple, but it's okay. It's actually factors, but it's fine. So the idea of index notation goes to breaking out the numbers. Actually, just now you mentioned something very important, is to break down numbers. Okay, break down numbers to what? So say for example 4, you break down into 2 to the power of 2, right? So this is called index notation. Now there is a special name, so let's learn a bit further. This thing here is called the base. Base, why? Because this is like the ground. Do you see that this is like sitting on the ground? So this is base number. Okay. Now the small number here actually has a name. It's called index or power. So far clear? Okay, so let's learn how to break down. So we go to the first example. We say, 2 is equals to 2 times 1, right? So it's just 2. 4 is equals to 2 times 2. So another way of writing 2 times 2 is 2 to the power of 2. What about 8?
8 is 2 times 2 times 2, so there's 3 2, so you take 2 to the power of 3.
2 to the power of 3. Get the idea so far? Okay, so my question is this. Is 2 to the power of 3 equals to 2 times 3? Question mark. No? No?
Because the 3 is equals to 2, like 2 3s. Like
Yeah, very good. The 3 is saying that there are
3 2s.
3 2's, right?
Yeah.
3 2's. Wait, I spell wrongly. Huh? There's no ES, right? 3 2's, right? So something like that. So this one is actually 2 times 2 times 2, whereas this is actually 2 times 3. So this is not equal. So far clear? Okay. Alright, so let's practice a while. So we say that 36 is equals to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So how do I write? Will you try? 2. What will you write? So there are 2 2's, right? There are 1 2. There are 2 2's. So how do I write? How do I call that small number 2? Either you call it to the power. You look over here. You can pronounce it as to the power of something, or index of 2 is 1. Cancel this one. I don't want. So to the power of something. We just use to the power of something. Okay? So can you try 2 to the power of 2? Very good. Then multiply by 3 to the power of 2. Can you follow? Okay, now your turn. How do I write this?
2 to the power of 2
Times
3 to the power of 2
times.
5 to the power of 3.
Very good. So far so good. Okay, let's go back to the next one. Now, prime factorization. One more, bear with me. Prime factorization means I want to express a number into what we call prime number. Now, notice that all these numbers are actually prime. Okay, so I want to break down a big number into some prime number and express it in terms of a power. So this process is called prime factorization. So far can you follow? Okay, so you can read over here. So then now always begin with the what as a divisor. Make a guess. Always begin with what? Okay, always begin means I want to always divide. Always divide with a what?
Prime, the smallest number. With the prime number.
Prime number. So what does this mean? For example, if I have 72, this is called the ladder method, right? We divide, right? We don't divide by 10 or 9 or 8. No, everything no. We divide with what?
2.
Prime number, which is
2.
2 in this case. So we small prime number. So we start with 2. So let's try 2. So what do I get? 36.
36.
Divide by what again?
2.
2.
18.
Oh, 2.
18. Very good. Yitang. Divide by what again?
2.
2. What do you get?
9.
Very good. Divide by
3.
3. Very good. What do you get? 3. Divide by 3. Then you get 1. Not 0. Not 0. So this is not 0. This is 1. Because 3 over 3 is 1. Now, how do I write in prime factorization? So I can rewrite 72 is equal to, you look at this number here. Can follow so far?
Yes.
So what do I write?
2 to the,
2 to the power of
3 times
3 to the power of 2. Now, it's always good to check. How do I check whether I'm correct or not? You press your calculator lah. So take your calculator, press 2 cube times 3 square. Do you get back 72? If yes, the answer is correct. So the idea of index notation is to express a number in their base and power. Base and power. Clear so far? What is this called? What is this represent? What?
Index notation.
Very good, index notation. Clear so far? Okay, now let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 6. Okay, you try this example and then we go back home. Okay, I want to express index notation. So 1, 2, 6. What do I do first?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. What do you get? 60?
3.
4. Wrong lah. 60? 3. Okay, good. 63. Some take out calculator already. 63. Then what do I divide?
3.
3. What do you get?
21.
21. What do you do? Divide by?
Divide by 3.
3. 7. Divide by?
7.
0?
1.
5. Okay. So what do I write? 1, 2, 6 equal 2 times 3 square times 7. Ta-da, done. Clear so far?
Yes.
Now pause the video here and then you can try practice 5 by yourself and then our teacher will go through with you. Any question?
Okay.
No.
No.